We have a Bosch dishwasher, and we see E24 error message, and checked on YouTube. There are many videos talking about this issue, but most of them say it's a drainage problem. So I cleaned the pathway of drainage. It seems in our case it's not this problem. Just to show you what kind of message we get. This will probably take a minute or two. You can see this E24 error. Actually, what I also did was to take off this water pump and check this pump. There's nothing wrong with this pump. Another thing actually I did was to pour some water into the dishwasher and pour water here. Then turn on the dishwasher. Actually, the water was drained. So I don't think in our case it's related to the drainage problem. What I think it might be possible related to this water inlet valve. So I just ordered a new water inlet valve from the internet, and it cost me $50. So let's change this and see if this fixes the problem. Okay, we disconnected this hose and removed this connector from here, and next step we're going to take this off. Okay, this old one is off, and now we're going to replace this old one with new one. Okay, this is the old one and this is the new one. Let's see if it works. Crap, need to buy a new dishwasher. Bought a new dishwasher, took about an hour to put it in. The problem is solved.